Okay, guys, today is Saturday. It is August 9th, 2025, and I just woke up. I have two events to set up today. One is a first birthday party event, and the other one is a graduation event. So, I'm going to come into my balloon room, and I'm going to show you what I'm looking like. These are all the balloons that I have to blow up today. Also, here are some more balloons, and then I'm going to be putting up these grad marquee letters that we got out of the storage unit. So come along with me today for this setup. Okay, guys, I am up and at 'em. We made it to the U-Haul place, and I'm gonna go and get my van. I'm gonna go home, load up, go get my aunt to help me set up these events. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up my first event first. I'm just gonna take everything out my house for that first event, and then I'm gonna come back to the house because I should have time. My first event is a 1-year-old rodeo themed baby shower, not baby shower, birthday party, sorry. And the client should already have the chiari wall panels up, and I'm just putting balloons on it. And that shouldn't take me more than, like, I'll say 30 minutes. So that should leave me enough time to come home and load up the marquee letters and the balloons for my second event. My first event setup should be at 9 o'clock, and then my second event is going to be at 11 o'clock ish. The actual event don't start till 3 o'clock, but I got all my balloons already blowed up. I attached it all to the marquee for the second event. So and then I blew up all of my littles, my 5-inch balloons and my starburst balloons. So it should be, fingers crossed, praying to the Lord Almighty, this should be a non-eventful day. I'm headed into the U-Haul place now to go and get my U-Haul, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Stay tuned. I finally got home just in the nick of time. It took forever. I was in that line at U-Haul forever. So I literally only have about 5 minutes to load this van up and be ready. I am running behind schedule by about 15 minutes. All right, y'all, we got us a quick load up, and we are headed to our first install. We arrived at our destination, and I don't even know what the thing is. Oh, goodness. We are here. Let me see. All right. They have horses and everything out here. This is so cool. Hey guys, we got the first garland on, and here we're gonna put the second garland. There are a lot of flies out here today. We are on a horse farm. So we got that side done, and then we got this side to go. This is the finish. This is just a free item I give to my client. Okay. Hello. Okay. Look like we made it to our second destination. This is the Orange Park Women's Club. I like that little cute yellow door they got there. All right. So we're gonna unload and we're gonna get these grad letters out, get the balloons put on them, hopefully before it starts to rain. Me and Auntie got soaking wet, y'all, but it's okay because we got the grad letters in and we got that garland put on. I got my 5-inch balloons here, and my auntie is blowing up the starburst balloons. So my plan now is to add some girth to the bottom here and over here. And I'm just gonna add the 5-inch balloons, the starburst, turn the lights on, and we're gonna see how it looks. Now, now I'm just adding on some 5-inch clusters just to give it dimension, as well as my starburst balloons. Me and my auntie work so well together, y'all. I'm so blessed. She said we can even take on more jobs, and I'm gonna teach her how to blow, like inflate the balloons and stuff, and we'll be able to do more jobs. I'll be able to accept more jobs. The only reason why I've only been accepting 2 jobs a day is because that is a lot of inflation, a lot of work, and I'm just so blessed that my auntie she really enjoys doing this, and she told me to teach her, so I'm gonna teach her how to inflate. And also, if you are in the Jacksonville area and you are a newbie at balloon decor, reach out to me, and I'll show you how to like blow up some balloons, and we can work together. Congratulations to these two ladies. They are both doctors, y'all. You talk about some black girl magic. I'm so proud. They're both very beautiful ladies, and they are both doctors, medical doctors. This is just awesome, and I'm thrilled to be a part of this. That looks so good. All right, so this is what we're looking like. That's what it is. This is what it looks like. It looks so good. I love it. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.